Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by exposing the mechanism under the seat. Remove cushions and test the up/down motion to feel resistance and noise. Once you can see the gas cylinder and tilt assembly, you'll locate loose bolts, worn bushings, or a leaking cylinder. Make sure to have a 1/2 wrench, hex keys, a rubber mallet, and penetrating oil. Start loosening accessible fasteners, just enough to inspect parts. Don't force removal yet, so you know whether to repair or replace components. Once the seat is safely supported on blocks, you remove the retaining clip and any mounting bolts. Then, apply penetrating oil to stuck joints and tap the base with the mallet to free the cylinder. You'll pull the gas lift straight out. If it's oily or pitted, replace it. If bushings are crushed, swap those too. Make sure replacement parts match measurements and stroke length. As you reassemble, hand thread fasteners first, then torque to snug. This prevents misalignment that causes binding and premature failure. You reattach the base and seat, tightening fasteners progressively so the mechanism aligns, then sit and cycle the chair through its full up and down travel to confirm smooth action. If it hesitates, apply silicone spray to pivot points, avoid grease on gas seals, and recheck. If you still get sagging or sudden drops, replace the gas cylinder with a matched unit. If there's persistent noise or wobble, inspect mount plates for cracks or warped parts and consider professional repair. One key tip: if the chair drops under load, the cylinder is the primary culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.